What consequences will a habitual DUI offender face in Utah? Attorney Court Koehler explains that. The only way to get a felony conviction for a DUI in Utah is if you have 2 prior DUIs. There is no felony DUI unless you have already had 2. It doesn't matter what your breath alcohol level is or the outcome in other tests. If you had 2 prior DUIs, then the third is automatically charged as a felony, no matter what. So, your third DUI is a felony DUI. Your second DUI is still a Class B misdemeanor, just like a first DUI, but it carries additional mandatory minimum sentencing requirements. Instead of a fine that's somewhere around $1,400, you're probably going to pay a fine close to $2,800 or $3,000, which is about twice as much. You're also going to have a mandatory minimum jail sentence of 10 days instead of just the regular 2. Those are the most severe things. You're also going to have to do supervised probation, which is going to be an additional expense. You're going to have a longer ignition interlock device restriction. You're going to have to do that for 5 years, whereas on the first-time offense, it was just 1.5 years. There are all kinds of longer license suspensions, longer probation requirements, longer ignition interlock device requirements for repeat offenders. It's going to cost you more than twice as much for even your second DUI, and when you get up to the felony, on the third, you got really serious consequences. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Court Koehler in Salt Lake City, Utah at 801-441-2013 or visit his website at www.saltlakeduidefense.com.